Hello guys, today we will be solving this problem in which we have to find the second largest element. Okay, so we are recording. So what here we are given an array of positive integers. Okay, there will be no negative integer. Okay, and we have to return the second largest element from that array. Okay, and if that second largest element does not exist, then what we have to do? We have to return minus one. Okay. Okay, for this case, like we can see there's given an array like 12, 35, 1, 10, 34, and 1. So what will be the largest element? Will be 35, and then the second largest element will be 34, right? Yeah. So our output will be 34. Okay, how will we approaching this problem? Let's go to whiteboard. There we can discuss. Okay. Okay. So what we can do now? We can assume a variable name first, okay, in which we will be storing the largest element of that array. Okay, and second what we can do, we can we can declare a variable named second, okay, which will be storing the second largest element from that this array. Okay, which will be our answer. Okay, we have to return this second. Okay. Okay, so first we can initialize our first variable as our first element of array, because we will be having a single element. Okay, and if there is single element, that will be the our largest element. Okay, so we can initialize the first with our first element of array. Okay, and we can make second equals to minus. Okay, so what we do, like there will be two three conditions. Let's say if like our array I is no, like our any element which is greater than, if this is greater than first element. Okay, then what will be, what we can write here, our then our first and largest element will become this array element, right? Because that will be then the largest element. And what we will next to, our second variable will be equal to first. Okay, no, sorry, we can write it later. Okay, and we'll change our first element to, okay. And what if this is not the case, like our array of I now, else if condition what will write, if our array of I is less than first, okay, and this is greater than second. Okay, sorry, and this is greater than our, so in this case now we'll update only our second element. Okay, and we'll make equal to array of I. Okay, and in the end we will return it. Okay, which will be storing our answer. Okay, so let's code it. Let's go to here. Okay, so first we'll declare element n, which will be storing the size of our array. Okay, and as before we will declare element as first. Now let's name it. Okay, first element. Okay, we'll make it the first element of array, and we'll declare the second element which will initialize with minus 1. Okay, so what now, after this what we'll iterate through array. Okay, and if the current element on which we are, okay, if that is greater than first element, okay, and there is no condition of n, then what we'll do, we will change our second element to first. Okay, and we update our the first and greatest element, okay, equal to that element. Okay, but if that, but if what if that element is less than first, but that is greater than second, right? In that case we will also update second, right? Yeah. So if array of I now is less than first, okay, and but that array of I is greater than second, okay, in that case no, we will also our update our second element. Okay, and in the end this second variable will be storing our answer. Okay, so we will return. So let's run it. Okay, like first case we have described this. In this case we will be having 34 as the second largest element. Let's submit the code. So this is passed all the test cases. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time.